This is my third stay at the Travelodge Cambridge Orchard Park, and this time I'm bringing you along. It's conveniently situated just off the A14 at junction 32, and outside you'll find a good sized car park over 2 levels. There's a height restriction which my van fits under easily, and I haven't had a problem finding a space on any of my stays. Entrances from the car park and street lead into the lobby. Staff are friendly and check-in is efficient. This time I'm on the 2nd floor, and it's good to see a choice of stairs or lift. Now along the corridor to room 214. The room is modern and comfortable. I've got a view over the A14. I like my window open and traffic noise doesn't bother me, but with the window closed you don't really notice the road. There's an electric heater, and Travelodges tend to provide a fan in the hot weather, but no air conditioning. There's no wardrobe, but there is hanging space, and no hairdryer, but you can borrow one from reception on a first come first served basis. There's a desk and some basic tea and coffee, with a nice clean kettle. There's power here and also charging points next to the bed. The chair is comfy. This corner is a little dark, but of course you can move the chair if you like. Although the room is no frills, it's a nice place to be and the bed is comfortable. On my stays I haven't heard any noise from the corridor, just the occasional person outside if I've had my window open. The shower room is fairly modern and has everything you need, including a large surface for your wash bag and a rail and hook for your towel. Water pressure wasn't the greatest in the shower, but I still managed to wash my hair without difficulty. This is the first time I've ventured into the cafe bar, and I'm glad I did. It's a really welcoming, calm space with nice modern decor and a relaxed vibe. My dinner was really tasty, and breakfast was a good spread too. Nice to see alternative milks and corn sausages are available on request. Breakfast was also calm, and I personally liked the fact that the TV wasn't on. Overall, it was another good stay at this hotel. My stay in May 2026 cost me £76.98, including breakfast at £10.99, and I will definitely be back. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, comment and share, and if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.